Do you feel fearful when you're about to take one important step, when you're about to start something new and you want to make it big, but there is a lot of dug dug in your heart? Oh, what if I fail? Oh, what if this goes wrong? Oh, what if this happens? Oh, what if that happens? What will people say? And with all these questions of your monkey mind, you feel fearful. Do you feel that? So, how to overcome these fears? And what if these fears were not there and you would just go fearless and accomplish whatever you want? Right? So, let's see the relationship with our fears. How to attack these fears, how to overcome these fears, and are these good or bad? Is the fear good or bad? Welcome. I am Dr. Poonam Maurya, founder at Inner MBBS. Yes, Inner MBBS is your true inner doctor within. That's your mind, body, breath, and soul. Welcome. So let's see what is this fear and why this fear comes when we are about to do something very important. See, let me tell you how to overcome fear. I'm not going to give you can. Comment in the section how many of you are feeling some fear right now. You have some fear, whether it is starting a new business or taking a new step towards your goal, or something that you have been sitting to decide for a long time because you are afraid to take that bold step. Are you afraid of something? Congratulations, my dear friends, you are at the right spot. Everything is at the right spot. Fear is very good. Fear is not your enemy. Fear is not your enemy. Fear is your friend, my dear friend. My dear friends, fear is your soul's GPS. Yes, it's your inner GPS, your soul's GPS. Fear comes when you are doing some important thing, when you want to take an important decision. That means you are growing because you're working on it. Fear doesn't come in day to day activities, no? When you have to go and watch a movie, when you have to scroll the Instagram reels, when you have to see some shorts, when you have to go for shopping, when you have to see the Netflix, do you get fear? Fear doesn't come in unimportant task. Fear only comes when you're about to do something important. So be very proud of yourself that you are getting afraid. That's the very indication that, my dear friend, you are growing. Fear comes when you are growing. Fear comes when you are stepping out of your comfort zone to your uncomfortable zone, and you know that uncomfortable zone is the zone where you will grow. Fear doesn't come while doing the routine works, okay, of the kitchen work, of your routine mundane work. Fear comes when you're about to do something big, and the very indication that you have got fear is the indication that you are alive and you are living a courageous life, because it takes courage to do in spite of the fear. So courage is not something that, oh, that the what do you say, the king of the jungle lion is courageous. When you have fear in doing something, do it anyway. I repeat, when you have fear of taking any new step, any new work, just go ahead and do it anyway. And that is called courage. So, courage is stepping out of their comfort zone and doing it anyway in spite of the fear. So, don't make fear your enemy. Why it becomes very difficult, because we think it's very fearful. I can't do it. So, that fear becomes a monster. So, today onwards, make fear your friend. It's guiding you. It's your soul's GPS. My dear friends, you should do the things which you are fearful of. That's the way to grow. And the massive transformation in life, I repeat, the massive transformation in your life comes from doing the things which you are fearful of. So there lies the maximum transformation, in the things which you are avoiding. The things which you are avoiding, the things which we are fearful of, are the things which you are giving, which you are going to get the maximum breakthrough. So my dear friends, these fears are coming to give you a very big lesson in life. So do not run away from fear. उसको पकड़ के ऐसे एक, just make it like a friend. Okay, this is my fear and I'm going to make this fear as my friend and make it sit here. That yes, come sit here. You want to have a chat with me, you want to have lunch with me, talk to your fear. Let the fear be your friend. because it is actually guiding you where to go. You have to go in the areas where you are fearful of. Fear is not your enemy, fear is your friend. My dear friends, when you change this relationship, when you have this attitude towards your fear, nothing is impossible and you can take the step, because fear is coming to show you your path. Fear is not coming to obstruct you. Fear is not an obstacle. Fear is your GPS. Fear is your inner soul's GPS. So go ahead and do that work wherever you are feeling fearful now. And fear is not real. Yes, my dear friends, fear is not real. It's just a GPS mechanism, and fear is just anticipation of pain about the things which have not yet happened. So fear is not real, but it is very, very important mechanism to guide you where you have to go, what you have to do. Whatever you are afraid, that is the exact thing that you have to do. Fear is not real. Fear is the false evidence that appears real. It's false, it's not real. So डरना क्यों है? जो डर गया वो मर गया. My dear friends, fear is your friend. Befriend it and go ahead and do whatever you want. Let me know in the comment section what was your biggest takeaway and what are you going to combat this knowledge with, because knowledge has no power, it's the doing. So how are you transforming? What is the one step that you're going to take for your accomplishment of goals? What is that one thing that you're going to go ahead and do to overcome your fears? Because fear is not enemy. Fear is a friend. Make it as a friend and be happy. Wish you all a very happy, healthy, holistic life. And if you're fearful, you're growing, you're living, and that's your soul's GPS.